hits on Billboard charts in contemporary genre hits. To date, their Carpenters album and single sales total more than 100 million units. And so much to that, we are ecstatic to witness and hear once again the distinctively musical style of the duo to be rendered to us by our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mayor Rebecca M. Saldivar, Mrs. Maricon Operada, and Ms. Frail Amis Numalanta.
Hello, madlang people! Good evening po sa ating lahat. Naimbag nga rabi, kada tayo amin, apo. Awan ba di palakpak tayo kakabsat? Salamat. Tapno maikat pang tinervyos na ito. So, tita ito yung agundaway apo. Ako rin no sa anak unay nga talentado. Nga magkayat ko man, timay paay, timay isa nga kanta para kadagiti amin apo inayag ko nga kailian ni San Nicolas. And so tonight, sa atay nga kita na po, silang kami, may nawanervyos kami, but please see us. Babaan tita ito yung puso apo nga nayag nga kanta para kada kayo. So this is my way of thanking everyone, of saying how much I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day! Nabinta San Nicolas! Woo!
Okay na po, start na tayo. But before anything else, gusto ko lang pong sabihin na it is my pleasure and honor po, ma'am, to be performing with our very beautiful Honorable Mayor Rebecca and also Ma'am Maricon.
Thank you so much, Ms. Relamis. It is an honor. Sana maampunan mo kami ng iyong talent ngayong gabi.
Pahingi ng konting
Talent. Okay po.
konting bossing. Music Maestro, sana po magustuhan